Hello, welcome to this video on finding the equation of a quadratic graph using the graph itself. In this one we're given both the roots, so I know that a solution to the quadratic equal to 0 would be x equals 3 and another one would be x equals 8. That means, given that this is just 1x squared, I could write it nicely in factorised form. I know that if I factorise that, I would get x minus 3 multiplied by x minus 8. I could expand that now. So x times x is x squared. X times negative 8, I have negative 8x. Negative 3x, and negative 3 times negative 8 is positive 24. Well, let's simplify that. Y equals x squared minus 11x plus 24. Now I'll look at this. I want to find b and c, so I know b is negative 11 and c is 24. What you might also be asked is, what is that coordinate? Well, that is the y-intercept. And the y-intercept occurs when x equals 0. And I can see the y-intercept because it's c here. When x is 0, I have 0, lots of x squared, well, 0 squared, plus b lots of 0, and then c. So c is 24. So that would be 0, 24. Let's look at another. This is slightly different because you're given the y-intercept this time and only one of the roots. So let's say, so you can write this as this. Y equals x plus 12 because a root is negative 12, but also x plus c. Well, c or x minus c would be clearer really. So if I can just change that, you get minus c. But c will be negative. I need 12 and c to multiply to make this number here 60. So what do you multiply 12 by to make 60? Well, I would need that to be 5. So I would have y equals x plus 12, x plus 5. Because my root there would be negative 5. Okay, well let's expand this. And I've got y equals x squared, 12x and 5x plus 17x. And then 12 times 5 is 60, which is my y-intercept. So I've used the clues there. The key is using the factorised form. Now, let's look at the next one. This is a bit trickier. What I'm going to do first is find that graph, the positive version. Now let's have a go at the process to find that. Now let's use the roots. Negative 2 is a root, so x plus 2 is a factor. Notice I use this. Now 4/3, that makes this a little bit trickier. So I would have 3x there minus 4. Now, if you've done some work on reading off solutions from the factorised form, you'll see how that works. When x equals 4/3, this bracket will be 0. So that fits. Now if I expanded that, that would be y equals 3x squared. I'd have 6x minus 4x, which would be 2x, and then 2 times -4, which is -8. Now, that's for the positive quadratic I've drawn there. So we know that we really want the negative version of that, because I'm going to turn it upside down. So y equals 8. So I'll put it in the form that it's shown there. Minus 2x minus 3x squared. So A is 8. So that would be 8 there on the y-axis. And B there is -2. There you go. Thank you.